My video guide will give you instructions to get rid of the browser hijacker called dailyfeastrecipe.com. It is called browser hijacker because it replaces your new tab with its own tab, and when you try to open the blank tab, you see this Daily Feast Recipe tab instead. Also, it is called the browser hijacker because whenever you submit some search queries into the new tab search field, you get the results by Yahoo search. Obviously, that's the problem. The developers of this service claim that by installing the extension you will be able to get some nice daily feast recipes to your browser, but in reality they don't mention that it works as a typical browser hijacker. So if you are not happy with all such amendments into the way your browser operates, you need to get rid of this extension, and this is how to do it manually. First of all, go to the menu of your Google Chrome browser, go to More Tools, choose Extensions. At this point, you need to disable and remove this Daily Feast Recipe extension. So as you can clearly see, it is as simple as it can be. But this does not guarantee that the other threads are also removed from your browser or computer. I would recommend that you additionally examine your system with the help of the program called Combo Cleaner. You may get it on the official page combocleaner.com. So download the software, install the application, and then start examining your computer with this tool to be convinced that it is free of any other threats. So, after the antivirus database is updated, click on Start Combo Scan and begin the research of your computer. At the end of scan by Combo Cleaner Antivirus, you will get the summary of all threads that were found during the scan. You may go to the antivirus section and click on Review Results. So currently you may see that so far 20 threads were found. In your particular case, the number of threads may be more than 20 or below 20, but definitely the program will give you the full summary of all threads, including the locations of these threads on your Mac computer. And you have a chance to remove each detected thread manually and for free, one at a time. You may click on Show in Finder next to this particular thread. This will show you the location of thread in your Finder. You may right-click on it and move it to the trash. And you may do the same thing with all other threads, or consider upgrading to the premium version to remove these threads altogether and automatically. And of course, premium version will protect your Mac computer from all subsequent threat and malware attacks.